The master's program in English language and literature is quite a unique program because it allows you to pick from 3 different topics: English linguistics, English literature, or a combination of the 2. All of your teachers and your professors are active researchers in the field that they're teaching. In addition to that, we have lots of visitors coming in whom you will have the opportunity to meet, and by participating in ongoing research, you can even start building your own portfolio by getting credited for the work that you do. In almost all areas of culture, of information, news and so forth, you will be dealing with text. And somebody with a master's degree from English language and literature is the perfect person to analyze that sort of data in a methodological and scientific way.